As Canlioglu Tekstil, we are a high-quality apparel manufacturer founded in 1999 by Ayhan Canlioglu and based in Halkali district of Istanbul, Turkey. Our long journey started as a denim manufacturer with a focus on becoming long-time partners mainly with European clients. Today, we produce garments in a rich variety of categories with the same Canlioglu standards. For over 20 years, we have built an excellent organisation under the leadership of Ayhan Canlioglu, who aims to keep his growth pattern by providing excellent communication and thus becoming the most reliable supplier to his customers. Warehouses, cutting, stitching, finishing and packaging areas, pattern and sampling room, merchandising and design teams, management offices and a sustainable laundry are from January 2022 all located in our 1100 square metre factory. As Canlioglu organisation, we are structured to give 360-degree fashion service to our customers that starts from the designing phase. We release capsule collections made by our internal design team or by cooperating with freelance designers. Our accessory and fabric sourcing teams assist our customers by sharing the newest collections or making developments for them. Our experienced team members in our sampling and production teams are able to focus on quality, while our planning and merchandising teams ensure everything is well organised and instructions are clear. At Canlioglu Tekstil, we care about nature. Let's hear about this from our Executive Board member, Maruf Canlioglu.
Canlioglu factory gets yearly social and environmental audits, and we are qualified to produce sustainable garments with GOTS or BCI certificates. We are aware of our responsibility to fight the climate crisis. At the beginning of our first sustainable collection and production, we set a goal to make sustainable jeans as nice and good-looking as conventional jeans. In 2021, our sustainable production ratio was increased to 15% against conventionally produced garments. We aim to have a more nature-friendly production by releasing sustainable capsule collections, which become more exciting with the help of latest technologies. Garment waste going to landfills increases despite worldwide efforts to produce sustainable products from sustainable materials and sustainable workmanship methods. That's why we believe that circular economy model is the path to a cleaner and healthier future. In order to make Canlioglu circular, we invested in digitalization, and we will provide a transparent supply chain traceability and more efficiency in our systems by 2022.